Hello students, welcome to Describing Experiments. The topic of today is the use of imperatives to write instructions for experiment. The first part is about what are imperatives. Imperatives are words used to give commands and orders. Also, are used to give instructions. Here we have some examples about the imperatives. As you can see, the imperative is formed with the verb without a subject. Here we have some examples. The first example is open the door. The second, take an aspirin. And then pay attention. In your class, you have heard about your teacher says stand up, or pay attention, or sit down. So these are another imperatives. Here we have the negative imperative is formed with do not or don't on the verb. We have here some examples. Don't touch that, and don't play with your brother. So, in this topic, we are going to focus on this part, only affirmative imperatives. Please be ready with your notes. You can copy the imperatives in order to practice and to learn the words. We have here some examples about imperatives in an experiment. The first one is pour. Pour. Then mix. Mix. Add. Add. Put and put. Use. Use. Boil and boil. Also, these are some examples of imperatives in an experiment. Also, we have some tools that we usually use in an experiment. As you can see, we have glass, we have scissors, we have plastic bag, we have jar, bowl, and bottle. So these are tools that we use in experiments. Also, we use materials in order to make our experiments. We have some of the materials. The first, salt, water, paper, and colors. Okay, so we're going to describe some actions of the experiment. The first, look at the pictures and think about how do you describe this picture using imperatives. So here we have the option, pour the water in a glass. As you can see, we use imperative and materials and tools. We have another example. This is a picture where you can find two actions. This is one action and this is another action. So try to describe, and I'm going to show you the possible option. Add salt and mix with the water in a glass. So you can answer the questions in the comments. What is important to follow instructions? How can I share instructions with my classmates about an experiment? It's your time to create instructions using imperatives. Thank you for your attention.